There was the recent news story in Kerala where a lady was denied access to restroom in the evening time, and it was in the purpose everybody might have read that. So what happened was she was having a long trip and she filled petrol from a petrol pump in Kerala, and naturally she has asked for the restroom facilities, and the person present there told her that it is unusable and it is not cleaned and it is locked also. But actually what she did, she called the police and police came there, they forced open and she used it, but actually it was clean. What they told was lie. Okay. And he might have done on the instruction of the owner. And actually what she did, she went to CDRC, actually Consumer Dispute Redressal Committee. Consumer Dispute Redressal Committee, that is CDRC, what we call the Consumer Forum. She went to Consumer Forum and was awarded 1.65 lakhs. We all know there is inadequate public toilet facilities for men and women both. Okay, this public toilet facilities actually we are trying to improve, but still we have not reached the standards. The women is actually about 50% of the total population. Even then, the restroom facilities or public toilet facilities for women is only half of that of the man. We have a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and a lot of other such programs are there that is actually going in the background. Women have a habit of retaining the urine for a long time. Actually, that is they're trained like that from the from their childhood onward. They were taught like that, and accordingly they are trained. But there are a lot of actually health issues behind this. See the lack of basic facilities, including toilet for women, can lead to severe health issues. It is essential to have access to clean, safe, and hygienic public toilet and other essential facilities. Inadequate toilet facilities or retention of urine may lead to urinary tract infections, distended bladders, and other urogynecological issues. Women always have a tendency to defer urination until they reach back home or till they find a clean toilet. You might have heard or have read somewhere that you have the right to demand for toilet facilities and drinking water even in a five-star hotel without taking a room there. So are they obliged to provide you these facilities since you are a non-customer to them? What will be the maximum penalty if they have not obliged you? Some legal expert points to Section 7(2) of Sarais Act 1867 as a panacea to the issue of public restrooms in India. Let us examine whether this act is sufficient or what this section 7 subsection 2 says. As per the legal experts, the Indian Sarais Act 1867 enables a person to ask and consume water or use the washroom of such hotels for free at any time. Denying this can lead to discrimination in public places. So there is a point in using this law in cases where public facility or drinking water facility is denied. This is what their point. Let us examine the actual words written in the Act. This is Sarais Act 1867. This is enacted by the British, but since it is not repealed, even now it is valid. Let us see what is written in 7.2. So let us first see what is Sarai. Sarai means any building used for the shelter and accommodation of travelers and includes in any case in which only part of a building is used as a sarai. Sarai is nothing but a place where the travelers can rest in the olden days and all. Okay. It can be full building or part of a building, and there will be one keeper. Okay, one keeper of sarai, and it can be an owner or any person having maybe acting on behalf of him. So let us see what is written in 7.2. 7.2 says duties of keepers of sarai at all times when required by the magistrate or any other person duly authorized by the magistrate of the district in this behalf to give him free access to the sarai and allow him to inspect the same or any part thereof. So they are actually considering this word free access to the sarai, but actually it is written here required by any magistrate or any other person duly authorized by the magistrate. Okay, it can be a superintendent of police also if it is authorized, or whoever authorized by the magistrate. Okay. So with the free access means actually free water and free toilet facilities and everything is meant by this. This is what the contention is. And let us see what will be the fine in case this is not maintained. What will be the penalty? See, the penalty says penalty not exceeding 20 rupees and a further penalty not exceeding 1 rupee a day for every day during which the offence continues. For a 5-star hotel or even for a dhaba, you know what rupees 20 rupees is. Anyway, this is what they are going to get maximum as per this act. So whether it is sufficient or not, that we have to see in the court. Okay, they may be called the court. We can maybe okay, even this may be imposed on them. They can pay the fine, whatever. But there is a nuisance value, of course, that is there. Let us see the other provisions also, if it is not done. We have started this video by mentioning toilet facilities being denied in a petrol pump. Now let us see what are the free facilities to be provided in a petrol pump. What the regulations or the rules say. Let's examine this first. So they are supposed to give free air for tire. That does not mean actually they have to provide a person for filling the air and all. That we have to do. But many a pump actually they are providing a person. One person will be there, and we may give some tip or something to him. And people don't know how to fill air also. It is nothing big in this. You can fill the tire by yourself actually. Nothing big there. There's a panel is there. There is. First you should know what is the air pressure of your tire. So you can check if it is a car in the front door. If you open the left side, you can see what is the air pressure from front air pressure and back air pressure. It is actually mentioned there. And if you are using a two-wheeler or something, it is written there in the front itself is written. Okay. For example, if it is the pressure is 36, what you should do, you go to the front panel and there is an up and down arrow is there. Just actually press it and make it your pressure, maybe 36 if it is, make it 36 and all. then take the the pipe and actually open your that dust cap of your wheel, then just press it over this, but you have to press it firmly, keep it firmly, otherwise actually the air will go out. You press it, keep it firm, and actually it will regulate by itself. It's a automatic mechanism, and it will regulate by itself. And when it reaches that the particular level, maybe 36 in this case, then there will be beep beep sound will be there. Then you take it out. That's all. So that can be filled by yourself. No need of some attendant for this. It is not required. But actually, the ladies are afraid. They are actually afraid to do this because they think actually it is some big complex machinery, something like this. Nothing like that. If a petrol pump attendant can do that, you can also do that. What is big thing in that? Then the second thing, actually they have to give free potable drinking water, then clean toilet for ladies and gents, then first aid box, complaint book, then telephone facility for safety equipment. Let us examine the documents of some petrol companies. Some petrol companies, what are the things to be provided? Yeah, this is a document of Hindustan Petroleum. Let us see what they are saying. Hindustan Petroleum, they are saying facilities to be provided at retail outlets. So a retail outlet is not just a place for meeting fuel needs. It offers a range of services which can be classified as under mandatory facilities. These are mandatory facilities. These are facilities which every retail outlet must provide. These include free air, display of working hours, from when to when it is working, and a display of name and telephone number of the oil company personnel, okay, to whom you should contact in case of complaint and all, for the convenience of customers. Then first aid box, toilet and safety equipment as per statutory requirements such as fire extinguishers and sand bucket, etc., are also available at the retail outlet. Then there is actually other facilities that may be given. Okay, many of the petrol pumps are giving these facilities also. For the convenience of the customers, there can be additional facilities like water coolers, then convenience stores, then snack bars, dabas and restrooms, then bathing and washing space for truckers, telephone facility, PCO, STD, ATM. Nowadays, actually, I don't think there is this kind of things are there. ATM, then service and repair shop, tail shop, a lot of whatever they want they can give. Then actually there should be a facility for quality checking. If the customer wants, they can do some filter paper test, something like that, they can do. All these things are mentioned in this document. Okay. Let us take another document. It is a marketing discipline guidelines. This is common for all, Bharat Petroleum, Indian Oil, HP and all. It's a common thing. And what it is said, let us see. Now it is said in section, let me check which section it is. Section 1.6, customer service and general amenities, page number 10. Okay, let us see what this page number 10 says. Section 1.6. So they're saying actually they should ensure quality product. Okay, then air facility, free air facilities. Everybody is saying air facility only. They are not saying actually some person to be provided for your service. Then they should ensure prompt service and courteous behavior all the times. They should be polite. Then complaint session book should be maintained. Then in case you are marking some complaint there, the person who is coming there for inspection and all, their officials, they have to take action on this. Then the working hours should be clearly mentioned. Then the retail outlet dealer should ensure availability of clean toilet, and they should ensure the availability of telephone facilities. And he should display the name, telephone number of the oil company personnel, okay, and the and the person to be contacted by the customer in case of complaints. In addition, the needle would display the message, display messages on the customer service cell, and posters. There should be some posters saying that you call this number, this is the toll-free number. All the things should be for educating the customers. Then there should be first aid box. Okay. Then the place should be illuminated. See, there should be proper light should be there and should be clean. Clean housekeeping should be there. Then safety equipment should be there. Then they should maintain the standard. Minimum standard should be maintained. Okay. See, when we say provision of clean toilet, what does that mean? Toilets are clean all the time, proper lighting should be available, flush should be working, water should be available, then latch should be there for the toilet door, then signage is available, and the toilet must be accessible to the customers. I mean, it should not be some faraway place or something like that. Okay, these are then there's a display of Darpan QR code near the toilet for feedback, the feedback kind of thing. That is also there. Some QR code is there. You scan it and you can use this feedback. And if they are not maintaining this thing, actually, there can be some fine on them. I think it is actually for the first time it's 15,000, and second time violation it is 25,000, something like that. That is there, but actually the court may not be giving this fine. Court will be giving fine as per their act, rules and all. Now we know what are the free facilities to be provided to the public in a petrol pump. Now, okay. Now, in the case, actually, for the lady, these facilities were not provided. So I mean, she has somehow managed it. She has the courage, and she has the willpower to do that. So she has done. So, what are the provisions, or what can we move forward in case it is denied to us? So, first we discussed about the Sarais Act. Okay, so we know what are the limitations to Sarais Act and all. What are the other recourses for us? The first thing is actually you move to the consumer forum, CDRC, Consumer Disputes Redressal Committee. We can move there, and then actually then you can argue your case there. That is the first option. What is the second option? Second option is approaching the court. So you can quote Articles 14, 15 and 21, and these are the fundamental rights. So violation of fundamental rights. So you can say it is infringed. So you can argue that the breach of fundamental rights, these Articles 14, 15, 21 are violated, and based upon that actually you can move to the court. But actually in the case of that hotels and all, the Sarais Act actually gives, talking about the hotels and hostels only. Restaurants and eateries are not included there. That's one thing. Second thing is that if public is using their toilet facilities and all, then it is just like a public toilet. But everybody will come there, or anybody can reach there, then ask for this. But some corporation or municipalities, I think in Delhi and Bangalore, they have enacted some rules and all based upon this. But actually, whether it is implemented or not, I'm not sure. But people are opposing that. There will be a debate on this. But whether it is practical or not, that is one thing. Because everybody is coming to the hotels, actually their business will get affected. So they are not running a public toilet facilities and all. Even if 5-star hotel people are coming, okay, maybe we can say, okay, you charge something. Okay, even if they charge, they are not running. See, that is not their business. Okay, their business is different. There will be, if we in a five-star hotel or a big hotel and all, a lot of customers are coming. Maybe foreigners are coming. There people are coming there for using this toilet facilities and all. It is actually really difficult for them. So that is their contention. This way they cannot be implemented and all that. Unfortunately, we don't have enough laws to I mean control this uh, see this kind of activities, and some law is to be enacted. Some effective law is not there. No such effective law as such. Maybe in USA and England and all, there are the law says that in case of medical emergencies, uh, the public should be allowed to use the toilet facilities and all. But they have specifically says like that. But here, nothing is specifically mentioned. Therefore, we have to use the constitutional rights and other things and all. We have to use, since there is no definite law for this. But let us just think about our case. We are going for a tour with the family, but whatever law, other things under law there, maybe there's a court case, other things, it will take time. That is not going to solve our issues. Our issue, what is our immediate issue? Our immediate issue is that we should have restaurant facilities. We are going for a vacation tour with family and all. Maybe that normally the such tours will be to a remote village or remote place or something. Inside the city, then we don't have to go for some tour or something. Inside the city, there is no issues also. You can go to some family restaurant or something. There will be such facilities are available, and you can use them. Anyway, you have to take food or something. But in villages and all, that may not be possible. Maybe taking food with you sometimes. Maybe some small village or something. It is not that may not be possible. Practically not possible. And what the ladies will do, but actually the problem with them is actually they try to hold the this urination and all. Maybe that's for something they can do. If it is actually near to the home, they can do that. If it's not like that, what they will do. This is the real problem for them, especially when they are in the menses period and all. Frequently they have to change the pads and all. Maybe they have to go to the toilet. This kind of issues are they are facing. It's a real issue because only women will know this. Others will not understand. But if they have the issue, that problem will be transferred to the man also, because it is their duty. Normally, as a head of the family, their duty to take them to a safe place, safe and clean place, or something like that. So that is their headache also in that. So, what is the practical solution for this? So let us just search in online whether we have some practical solution for this. Let us see that. Let us just check in online portable urinal for ladies. Let us just see something is available or not. See, a number of gadgets are available. Okay. So you just go through this, because I am not going to explain this thing to you. Maybe by standing it can be used. Then there is actually bags are also available. See, there are bags available. This can also be used while you are traveling in a car or something. Actually, you can collect this in a bag, and then when you reach some convenient place, you can dispose it off. Or by standing, if it is if the toilet facility is not clean, you don't want to sit there and all, you can use some other gadgets, which is cheap also. By standing itself, you can do the process, go through the process. Then again, there are some throwaway type of things. Things are also available. It is a use and throw type of thing, or maybe you can collect and throw it to the toilet. Such kind of lot of things are there. You just see the Amazon, Meesho, the Flipkart, or everywhere such kind of things are there. A lot of such things are available actually. Okay, go through this anyway. You all people, you people are very much familiar with this. Always you are actually, I mean, surfing the net and this number of online sites and all you are familiar with. It's things are available here. So this is the practical solution because there is no meaning actually just saying something in the book and all, and then after saying okay, this is what it says the law, but there is no solution. There is no meaning in that. Let it take its course actually, but we have some immediate issue with this, we have to resolve the issue. This is the method for that. Okay, so some practical solution also there. You go through that and keep it ready while you're traveling, and that will help you. Thank you very much.